How to fix black and white display on Android. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the black and white display on Android. So to do that you must follow the following steps right here. Watch this video till the very end to know it. So the very first step is to open setting and tap accessibility. Tap vision enhancement and tap color adjustment. Tap color correction and then tap switch to turn off color correction. So you can simply do that by going on the setting option of your phone. Let's see it. After that you must go on the accessibility option. Go back to your home page and now you need to go on the accessibility option. After you go on the accessibility option, you must go on vision enhancements. After you go on the vision enhancements, you can simply go on as it is said right here, tap on color adjustment and you can go on the color correction. Now you can simply tap on the color correction from here and turn it on as well, and you can simply choose any of the option right here and maintain your color correction from this options, all the options right here. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.